Open your book to page 693. Today's lesson is on how to find a determinant. Okay. With every square matrix, there is a real number that's associated with it, and it's called a determinant of the matrix. So let's go over example of how to do this. So let's go to example 1. So you have the matrix A is equal to 4, 3, negative 3, 2. Okay, so notice you use the bracket for the matrix. The determinant, you use the 2 bars like absolute value. Okay, so the determinant is det of A. So matrix A is 4, 3, negative 3, 2. Determinant of A would be 4, 3, negative 3, 2. Okay, so again, the 2 bars like absolute value mean to find a number. Okay, remember when we have complex number, when you have absolute value, that means the length, right? And it's a number, right? So it's the same idea. Okay, it's the same idea. So determinant of A is the absolute value of that, and it's going to come up with a single number. Okay, and the way to do that is you have to go diagonal. Okay, so you can use pen to write down, and then use pencil to mark this. So when you're going from left to right, is plus. When you're going this way, it's minus. Okay, so in this case, your determinant would be you multiply. Okay, so this will give you 8 minus, and you go this way, this will give you negative 9. Right, you multiply, and so answer will be 17, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you find the 2 by 2. Okay, now when you go into 3 by 3, let's go to example 2. So example 2, you have determinant of A is equal to 3, 4, 1, and you got 1, negative 2, 0, and you got 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now, when you have 3 by 3, what you want to do is you want to copy the first 2 columns. Okay, so go and copy the first 2 columns. So you're going to get 3, 4, 1, and you're going to get 1, negative 2, 0. The reason you want to copy the 2 columns so that you can have enough columns to do your diagonals. So you're going to have these diagonals. See, that's the reason for copying. Okay, and then now you have to multiply 3 numbers now. Okay, so remember when you go in this direction, it's all plus, right? So you have to go plus, go in this direction. Okay, so again, use pencil so you can erase it. So when you multiply, so this will give you negative 6 plus 3 plus 0. Now remember, when there's a 0, it's 0, right? So you're done with the positive diagonal. Now you're going to go the opposite direction, and all opposite direction would be minus. Okay? So you're going to go this way, and this way. Now when you go in this direction, all are minus, right? So right away you write down minus. So this way will give you minus 4, so it becomes plus 4. So minus. Okay, that's a 0, so it'd be 0 minus, it'd be 4. Okay, and when you add, right, it's easier if you add all the positive and then you add all the negative. So like all the positive, this will give you 7, and then all the negative, this will give you minus 10. That would be easier to do. Okay, so again, you add all the positive together, you add all the negative together, and then you get negative 3, and that is your determinant. So again, it's very simple. Okay, so let's go and do some practice.